Simple present tense. Where to use the simple present. Regular habits, daily routines. I go to school every day. General truths, facts. The sun rises in the east. Permanent situations. They live in Colombo. Scheduled events, timetables. The train leaves at 6 p.m. Instructions, directions. You turn left at the junction. Feelings and mental states. I like ice cream. Commentaries, headlines. Ronaldo scores the winning goal. How to use, form. Affirmative sentence structure. Subject plus base form of verb, V1. Subject type. Verb form, example. I, you, we. They eat, play, run. He, she, it. Eats, plays, runs. When to add s dot or es. Add s, play. Plays. Read. Reads. Add es. Go. Goes, watch. Watches, fix. Fixes. Words ending in y. Consonant plus y. Change y to I plus es. Try. Tries. Vowel plus y. Stay. Stays. Negative form. Subject plus do not, don't. Does not, doesn't, plus base verb. Subject. Negative form. I, you, we, they do not, don't, plus V1. He, she, it, does not, doesn't, plus V1. Examples. I do not eat fast food. She does not play cricket. They do not watch TV. Interrogative form, questions. Do. Does plus subject plus base verb. Subject. Structure. I. You. We. They. Do plus subject plus V1. He. She. It. Does plus subject plus V1. Examples. Do you like mangoes? Does he work here? Do they study English?